Video want to briefly discuss about the new latest updates on Learnify. Video want to briefly discuss about the new latest updates on Learnify. Yeah, so Learnify is a top trendy platform in Nigeria or whatever country you are able to join the Learnify platform. And the registration fee before was 4.5 and it still remained the same. But Learnify in their Telegram channel and made an official announcement that they are introducing a new package which is called the L-EarnPro. So the L-EarnPro goes for 7,000. So in this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the Learnify platform. So if you are here, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share this video. If you have your downline, you want to educate them audibly about this. So let's go. So from the image on the screen, you can see that Learnify welcome bonus is 4,000 naira. That is the Learnify Pro package now. The higher package, the N Pro package is just like an higher package. The welcome bonus is 4,000. Affiliate bonus is 5,000. That is, you as a member get 4,000 naira. The affiliates get 4,000. Then daily login goes for 300, which you earn every day. Then indirect affiliates get 400 naira. Then direct affiliates get indirect affiliate second generation get 150. Then advert posts get 300. And if I post 400. So I'm going to explain everything more. Then the minimum withdrawal is 10,000 naira. So what does all these activities mean, and how does it concern you as an Learnify member? So when you register with 7,000 naira, which is the L-EarnPro Learnify registration fee, you as the affiliate you as the person that have registered now, the user, get 4,000 naira welcome bonus in your account, but you cannot withdraw. Why? You have not actually performed any action. So then when the person that referred you, if you use a referral link, gets 5,000 as an affiliate commission, which same thing that when you do and you refer people, they also get the commission also. Then your daily login, for you login to the site, you get 300. So what you get after your registration on Learnify with this LearnPro package would be 4,300. 4,000 as your welcome bonus, then 300 as your daily login. So your indirect affiliate, if someone from that your affiliate, like your downline, first one you get 400, then your second downline you get 150. Then your Learnify post and LN plus, I don't go by tongue. This last one so they love it. So you get 100 naira. Then advert post you get 300 when you share advert post. Then your minimum withdrawal for this package is 10,000 naira. So FI is emerging one of becoming the biggest top any income platform in Nigeria today. And they launched their L-EarnPro on the 8th of July. They made an announcement on the 7th, and on the 8th of July they were able to release the package. So if you want to join, you need a coupon code. You can just come to. I'm going to leave a link to this website where you'll be able to contact a verified coupon code vendor. So if you are new to Learnify, there are 3 steps you have to take. If you are new to Learnify, there are 3 steps you have to take. So let me show you the step. 1, get your coupon code for these accredited or verified vendors. create an account on L-EARNify, then log into L-EARNify dashboard and start earning. Yeah, then you withdraw your money. Now that you're an L-EARNify member, what do you need to make money on L-EARNify? There are activities you have to do on the L-EARNify platform, that tasks, that daily tasks that will help you or enable you earn money from L-EARNify. Yeah, there are some activities that you do that will help you earn money from L-EARNify. So once you reach, you get 4,000. I've explained that before. You get 400. Then your minimum, okay, for non-referral, you get your minimum withdrawal is 30,000 naira. But if you are a referral on the L-EarnPro plan, your minimum withdrawal is 10,000 naira. So there are not much thing or new thing about this package apart from the change in price. Instead of the 4,500, this one is the 7,000, but the more it has a more any potential than the first one, but quite expensive in registration. So if you have not checked my post on how to create NFI account, you can check it out, and how to withdraw from NFI, you can also check it out. I've made videos on this. So this is just like an update. I want to update you about the new NFI platform and the update, the package they introduce. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share this video, and join our Insider and Telegram channel and become a member. You have a chance to win 10 GB data when you leave a comment on our post.
How it all started.